Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a word cloud art from wordart.com. And you'll notice that you have several links that you can look at. One of the links on the top is the Chinese zodiac pig personality and the characteristics of the pig. The next one is wordart.com, and then I have several images that you can download if you'd like. The first thing I want you to do is, after we read the book, you're going to generate some words that describe the characteristics of the pig. And then you're going to go to wordart.com. And it will look like this. I want you to go ahead and log in with Google. And go to Create. Where it says Word, go ahead and type in pig. And then down below, you're going to list several of the words that characteristics of the pig. So I would say clever, kind, good-hearted, friendly, and so on. Now, also, don't forget you could look back to this pig personality characteristics if you can't think of any others, and there's some more. So good temper, kind-hearted, positive, loyal. I can add those. Gentle. Some I'm going to go back to my word art and add in gentle, and then I'm going to put my name. So darling. You could put your name, obviously, and that's so that you know which one is yours when you go to print it. So now go to Visualize, and you'll get a word cloud. The pig is biggest because it's the number one, and everything down below will go is smaller. So from here, I want you to go to Shapes, and here there's all kinds of different shapes you could do, which are really fun, such as something like this. And you could do other things with this word art. But for today, I want you to go to Money, and there's a pig there. So you're going to use that pig because there isn't a pig in the animals. Go to Visualize, and there I have it. Now I can also make some changes using different fonts, and you can scroll through them. I'm going to look for something kind of curly. Maybe this one, since it looks like a pigtail. Visualize. You can go to the layout and change the direction of the words. You can have random, or right now they're all horizontal. I think I'll just put random and go back to Visualize. And I'm done. So once I'm finished, I want to print this. So go to Menu, Print, Change, and you're going to print it to the Color Library printer. So Beckman Creek Library Color, or Stafford Library. Stafford Library Color. So either one of these. So if I'm at Beckman, I'll go ahead and click on that and press print, and it's there, and I'll deliver it to you. If you're, make sure that your name is on it so that I know who to give it to, and I could tell right here. Oh, I thought I saw my name somewhere. So I'll look for the names on it. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, ask me or a friend.